Check out this breathtaking view over the Great Rift Valley, where the sunlight breaks through the morning mist. Ever seen nature carved by fire and time? Now let's glide over Abijata Shala National Park, where flamingos splash vibrant pink across the lakes. Next, we're off to Nechisar Park, where zebras race across the Golden Plains, a sight to behold. Look at the lush Bale Mountains foothills, alive with the rare Ethiopian wolves roaming freely. Now let's shift to Awash National Park, where volcanic cliffs meet roaring waterfalls, a true spectacle of nature. Finally, we end at the tranquil Lake Suwe, dotted with islands and pelicans soaring in the sky.